We've been taught that clean has a smell. Spring Meadow, Lavender Breeze, Ocean Fresh. But what if that smell isn't a sign of clean? What if it's a warning? That lingering scent on your clothes doesn't come from flowers. It's a carefully engineered blend of synthetic chemicals designed to cling to fabric and last for weeks. When your body warms those clothes, your skin, which is highly porous, starts absorbing what's on them. Truth check: if you can smell it, you're absorbing it. Your skin isn't just a wrapper. It's a living, breathing organ that communicates directly with your internal systems. This connection is called the skin-endocrine axis. To make scents last, manufacturers often use phthalates, chemicals known to disrupt hormones by mimicking estrogen. If you're dealing with adult acne, thyroid sluggishness, or unexplained skin issues, your laundry detergent could be a silent contributor. Just like your gut, your skin has a microbiome, a protective layer of healthy bacteria. Harsh synthetic surfactants act like scorched earth, weakening your skin barrier and increasing irritation. Most modern clothing is synthetic. Every wash releases microplastic fibers that trap chemical residues directly against your skin. In the United States and Canada, brands aren't required to disclose what's inside fragrance. One word can legally hide thousands of unvetted chemicals. Moving away from synthetic fragrance isn't extreme. It's about material integrity, reducing your total chemical load and letting your skin do its job. Real clean feels neutral. No chemical perfume, no plastic film, just clean fibers that let your skin breathe.